In this video, I'm going to share my experience with Boat Airdopes 441, which is a truly wireless earphone. I've been using it for last 2 months and I'm really impressed with the product. As you can see, it blinks green, blue. Earbud comes in this nice box. Let's open the box. Here comes the case with one pair of earpods. And also we have few additional accessories. Let's see. There is one USB cable for charging the case and few extra ear muffs inside this. Also we have user manuals, warranty card inside the box. Now I'm going to talk about some of the key features. Number one is automatic power on and pairing. It is one of the best feature and which I like the most. So you can see here, it is not connected to my device. When I'll open the case, it will get automatically connected to my device. See, you can see Airdopes 441. It gets automatically connected, which is so magical. Next feature is touch control. We can receive the call through that with just one tap. And also we can reject the call with the same single tap. We can also play and pause ongoing music. So you can see here, music is playing in my phone once it gets connected. So if I have to pause the music, I just have to do one tap. See, you can see video has been paused. You can also go to next or previous song via touch control. So if you want to go to next song, we just have to do double tap in the right earbud. See, song has been changed. And if we want to go to previous track, just have to do double tap in the left earbud. See, the song has gone to previous. This assistant, we can press the touch control on either left earbud for 2 seconds to activate Google. What is today's temperature, Google? 21 degrees. Fourth feature is mono use. We can use single earbud as solo, simply putting the right or left earbud back into the charging case. And the other earbud is ready to use. There is sweat and water resistant, so we can use while gymming or swimming. This feature is charging. The portable case also works as a charging station, so we just need to keep the earpods back in the case for charging. And it's very convenient and a very good feature. This case needs to be charged once in a week via this USB cable. Lightweight, handy and quite attractive to gift someone. Summary, it's a must-have product for people who want to do multitasking like running and listening music together. If you have any further queries, feel free to write it in a comment. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.